Hi, today my topic is about hamsters. This presentation will amaze you with explanation about the characteristics and fun facts about hamsters. To begin, hamsters are small-sized rodents where they are commonly used as house pets or even used as laboratory animals for research. There are many breeds as shown in this picture, but the three main types of hamsters that are kept as pets are Syrian, Chinese, and dwarf. Hamsters are found in a variety of colors using gray, yellow, black, white, brown, golden, and red. They exist in a mixture of several colors. Hamsters are small rodents that have stout bodies. They have stubby and stocky legs, and their ears are small. Hamsters have short tails that are even shorter than the length of their body. Their ears are furry, and their feet are white. Syrian hamsters are usually used as laboratory animals for research purposes. They are also known as Syrian hamster, which is smaller in size compared to other breeds, with small eyes, rounded face, large rounded ears, short half-inch tail, and the fur is orange-brown on top and whitish below. Hamsters are omnivores, where their main prey are seeds, nuts, and berries. Besides, they usually prefer habitats such as dry desert and sand dune. Hamsters' predators are owl, hawk, and snake. A hamster's enclosure is incredibly important to their well-being. Its size, shape, and accessory all contribute to a comfortable, safe environment. All hamsters will need a large and stimulating environment in which they can live happily inside. These are the physiological characteristics of hamsters. The birth weight is 2 to 3 grams, where body temperature is 36.2 to 37.5 Celsius, and the water consumption is 30 ml per day, food consumption 10 to 15 grams per day, average litter size is 4 to 12. Continuing, the heart rate of hamsters is 280 to 412 per minute, the respiratory rate is 33 to 127 per minute, and the blood volume is about 78 ml per kg body weight, and the adult weight is 95 to 100 grams. We can see that the age at sexual maturity is around 2 months, where the age at first mating will be 6 to 7 weeks. The estrous cycle is 4 days, where the duration is 9 to 23 hours. The gestation is 15 to 18 days, where the litter size is 7 to 9, and the weaning age will be 20 to 25 days. For sexing, to summarize, male will have a larger anogenital space, whereas female will have a smaller anogenital space. Besides, male will also have a noticeable testicle. For dwarf hamster, we can see that there is presence of sand gland at the abdominal region. The gestation period of hamster is about 15 to 20 days, where a group of hamster babies known as litter is born shortly after. The hamster babies are blind till about 2 weeks after their birth, where they have to be weaned at 3 to 4 weeks old. However, these animals should be watched carefully as they are one of the many animals that may eat their young. It is said that female hamsters give birth to 2 to 3 litters of hamsters baby annually. The lifespan of these small rodents is about 1 to 2 years. In captivity, they can survive up to 3 years. For example, Syrian hamster, in captivity, their lifespan would be 3 to 4 years. Hamsters have a sand gland that is located in the middle of their bodies. In the case of a dwarf hamster, the sand gland is located in the hamster's stomach, allowing them to mark their territory. However, Syrian hamsters have sand glands on the hip instead. The respiratory system of hamster consists of the nasal cavity, nasal sinuses, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and lung. The trachea bifurcates at the level of the fourth rib. However, there is limited glandular structures are found in the conductive airways of the hamster. The lung lobe of hamster consists of a single lobe on the left and 4 lobes on the right. The lobes of hamster lung consist of the cranial lobe, middle lobe, caudal lobe, intermediate lobe, and caudal accessory lobe. The respiratory rate of hamster is 33 to 127 breaths per minute, and the tidal volume is 0.42 to 1.4 ml, and the mean minute volume is around 30 to 42 ml. Digestive system of hamster consists of the oral cavity, dentition, salivary glands, cheek pouch, stomach, small intestine, cecum, large intestine, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Hamster have two stomachs, which is connected, where the forestomach is used for storage and moistening of food, whereas the second part is for fermentation process. Interestingly, hamsters have pouches on the inside of their cheeks, and they carry food in these pouches to store and eat later. Moreover, the incisors of hamsters are open-rooted and continually erupt throughout the hamster's life. Hamsters' brains are very simple. The average total weight of a hamster's brain is about 1.4 grams. The cerebral hemisphere consists of the large frontal, lateral, and occipital lobe. The medial region of the cerebellum, near the sigmoidon, is differentiated into 10 layers. This is a picture of a vertebral column of a hamster. The hamster have 8 cervical, 13 thoracic, 6 lumbar, 3 sacral, and 2 to 3 caudal pairs of nerve. Nerve plexus are located in the cervical, brachial, and lumbosacral areas.